For the pony, you're going to use 3 260s, one white and then 2 of any color you'd like. In this case, I use rose. Go ahead and blow those 3 up, and the first white one is going to have 4 fingers lengths left. And the second one, the pink, is going to have about this much left for the hair and bridle. And that third pink one is just going to be uninflated. Go ahead and start with that white balloon and do a 3 fingers lengths bubble. Then do a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. And then you're going to do a second 1-inch bubble. And go ahead and do a pinch twist on those 2. Twist them together. And that's going to be the head of your pony. Go ahead and twist about here for the neck. And while you're holding that in, go ahead and do the feet. The front feet, about 4-inch fingers lengths. And then do 2 of those. Match them up nice and even. Right there. And then twist those together right under the neck. Next, you're going to squeeze and do the mid body, just over 4 fingers lengths, and then do the same size legs in the back as you did in the front. Do 2 of those bubbles and twist those together. Go ahead and make your adjustments. And now we're going to get our tail. It's going to be about there, just to gauge it, and then we're going to pop off right up here so we can have something to tie. So pull that off, and then go back to where you want your tail. I let a little air out there so it makes it easier for me to twist. Twist that in, hold tight, let go, and then make that tie. That's the main body of the pony. Now we bring in our next color here, and this is going to be the mane. So whatever color you want, I have pink, which is the rose technically. Do a 1-inch bubble, and then you do what's called an ear twist or pinch twist, but it's with that nub. So you just bring that around as you twist the bubble and then push it through. And then do a second 1-inch bubble and pinch twist that. So you have 2 of them, and then you're going to do a third one to make one more 1-inch bubble, and then just twist 2 of those together. And the goal here is to get those 3 pinch twists on the end, just like that. Now we're going to take that body we just made with the white, and we're going to add those 3 pinch twists right under the neck there and above the legs. So just push that in, right in there, and situate it so those 3 stick out in the front and on the sides. That holds up the head, and then you can push the rest of the remaining bubble of your balloon in the back. So next you're going to do a 1-inch bubble, and then a second 1-inch bubble, and that one you're going to pinch twist. And do another 1-inch bubble, and then the fourth one you'll pinch twist. And now just one more bubble, and just attach that section right in between those ears, and just push that in so it's nice and snug, just like that. Get it all situated. And now if you want, you can actually leave on that excess to make a unicorn. But we're doing a pony, so we'll go ahead and take that off. So go ahead and just go up a few inches and then pull it off right there. And then you can just push that in a couple times without tying, because there's enough pressure right in there to hold it. All right, we're almost done. Go ahead and grab that third balloon that's uninflated, and we'll pull that out right now. We need to take the air out of this, so go at the bottom and then just squeeze the air all the way out. Make sure it's nice and tight so there's no air inside, and keep pushing that air out, and then make a tie before any more air gets back in. You want that to be nice and flat with no air inside. Otherwise it's going to give you some trouble, believe me. So take one of those ends, preferably the end with the knot, you'll see why in a second, and push that in that first pinch twist that we made. Right in there. And then you're going to wrap it around that nose or mouth of the pony so it's nice and flat all the way around. And then just make it as tight as you want to for this section. Not too loose, not too tight. And then just pop it in where you need to. And then go back in that same section that you first tied off. And then now you're just going to pull that off. I'm going to actually bite it. And then I'm going to get my Sharpie here and draw on the eyes, and then we'll be done. Draw some nice pretty eyes there with some eyelashes for a pretty pink pony. So pretty. Smiley face. All right, that is your balloon pony. Good job.